in the study, only then we can file our application for this patent. So first of all, the thing is novelty. So this is very much required. So the word itself say that anything new which has not been present earlier. So this is required to be the way that which is actually not been discovered, or it has not been analyzed, or it has not been identified. So only those things will be covered under this. Then the initiativeness, it is not being that can be the things are not present. It is a thing that which who has taken up the initiative to identify that particular thing. Okay. So this is not, I could say that anything which is not present in a nature. So the things are present in a nature, but we need to invent all those things. And who had taken up the initiative, and those things must not be an obvious. Obvious means just like if I say that the thing present in a nature is a in a winter we are having a cold waves, and in a summer we are having a hot wave. So we could say that today I'm feeling hot, today I'm feeling cold. So those sensation or those things which are present in a nature, we can't say that this has been a new thing or new initiative. Or I could say that with the we are looking into the air, and the something is moving into this. So these obvious things should not be in the patent. And the third one is the usefulness. Whatever the thing which we have invented or which we are going to present as a study or as a process, that must be in a positive sense to be in a usefulness to the society or to the person who is going to use it. So one of the foremost thing of this application filing is, so the thing should not be harming to anybody. So that's if I say that anything drug which is harmful for the human or to the animal or to any other, or any chemical which is harmful for the animal or to the any human, so that cannot be go to the patent. So that need not to be into this uh, in this application. Okay, and under this, what we have in this IP and IPR, right? It definitely it is a property because we are earning something from it. It is created by a person using his or own intellect for ultimate use in commerce, and it is not available in the public domain. And it should not be in the public domain with us. Examples of IPs are any invention relating to a product or process, or a new design of an article, a literary or artistic work, and a trademark. So these are the things which is required to be in your IPR. So any invention relating to the product or process, a new design of an article, literary or artistic work, and a trademark or something like this, which is present in the scenario. It is a, we could say that we earn something when we sell our rights to somebody. We will earn something from it. So that's why it has been called as a property. It is property which is created by a person or group of a person having his or own intellect. Intellect means his own thinking, his own use, or his own business into it. So which is not available earlier in the public domain. The things which are not available earlier can be have into this intellectual property. Okay, and uh, it is to be granted by the government, and nobody can only says in its own way that I have a right into this. It is to be given by the government only. Okay, and it, and any applicant have to file an application for this thing. So we need to apply for this thing to have the IPR into this of an intellectual property to exclude other from exploiting the IP commercially for a given period of a time in lieu of the disclosure of his or own IP and in an IPR application. So this is to be given by the government only and not by any other organization or any private or any other semi-government organization. It is fully by the granted by the government to the owner or to the group of a person. So why should an IP be protected? Why we are going for this thing is why it is not being directly being given to the public, or why not it is to be directly being handled by any other single person and can claim anything out of it, because it is going to create an asset for you and can be exploited by the owner for a commercial gains. So it might be possible that if you are having something in your mind and you had shown to the world that this is this thing, I know that how to process any chemical, or how to design any innovative thing. So then other person or other business tycoon can exploit you, can extract you or can give you a threat for handing over your intellect to the any other person. So to avoid all these things, so we need to go to the government that this is my thinking and this is my intellect which I would like to protect, and I would like to sell this for my earning. So IP owner can stop other from manufacturing and selling product and services which are duly protected by the IP owner. If somebody who found that if somebody is using your idea and selling it to anybody else, then you can complain this thing to the government and they will be punished for this thing. So the owner can sell. Owner mutually can sell the things. Owner mutually can earn the money out of it. Can have a commercial gain out of this. So they can give a license, or they can add a license or for this thing. So they can have their own earning out of it. So it's a whole solely property of this your owner who had created the intellect for this thing. So this can be created to establish a goodwill and a brand value in the market. So there are a number of things which you have seen which is having a patent with them and can be act as an uh, goodwill into it. So if somehow I had designed the aerial designed car, or I have designed uh, some any electronics equipment with this, so I have my goodwill into the market that the person is and designing this thing. This has give the popularity or the know-how of the person in the market. So it can be used as a goodwill and a brand value in the market. So your name, your fame can be attached with this IP. Inventor, creator, or author of an IP can mention about the IP in his own resume and then show their competency. The person can show about themselves that what is in your IP and what the thing which you could earn out of it, and what the thing which present your intellectual to the society. IPR certificate establish legal and valid ownership. So once a certificate is issued to you, you are having a legal right with your product. One thing to mention over here that the IP can only be given to the product and the process only. It cannot be given to your any idea only. If you are having any idea and you write that idea over this over the paper, so then that cannot be IP. So the thing which could produce some product out of it. So some product must be there into your intellect. Some output must be there into your intellect. So this should not be that any virtual thing can have IP. Your software cannot have an IP. So that need that has not produced any output or any product out of it. So that's why that cannot have an IP out of it. So how it has originated? So this is a thing which has been established by the group of a government. Group of a government means the group of a countries. Okay, if somebody has filed an application for IP in India, so that could be valid at in which country. So if I could say that the thing which has been established in India is acceptable to the 25 countries in the world. So these are not acceptable all over the world. The same thing can be have IP into the other country also, where there is a no treaty between the two countries. So it started from 1970 with the Patent Act, which is started in the 1970s. Now there are a number of amendments into it. Then the thing which other can be IP can have an IP is the Design Act, Trademark Act, Geographical Indication, Copyright Act, Protection of Integrated Circuit, Layout, Design Act, and Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmer Right Act. So this is a very new into this IP. Okay, some varieties can also be in a patent. Earlier, this was not been there. So these are the things which have been present in the uh, under the IPR. Okay, so these are the form of the IPR which we can have. So some design, some trademark, some geographical indication, some copyright, some integrated circuits or plant and varieties which are available. So we know all these things by these names. Patent to protect the technology, trademark to protect the word, sign, logos, labels, which you see many times that the companies are having their own logos, so then they are having the trademark of it. Design some ornament which you can design or you can get a patent of that design also. Geographical indications, something which are very specific to very particular part of the country or very particular region of the state or any other world. So then those are under the Geographical Indicator Act. So we will talk about this thing and the copyright to protect the literary and artistic work that will covered under the Copyright Act. So what this patent is, it is an exclusive monopoly. So here, if I say the monopoly means the right of a single person or a group of people to use it, and it has been granted by the government only. Nobody, any other in the private or in any semi-government or in any other NGOs which would give it. It is to be given by the government only for a limited period of a practice. So this will be given for a limited period, and for its manufacture, use, and a sale, the person have to file a renewability of that patent after a particular period, might be 20 years, 10 years, or 15 years, or how much time it has been given the fees for it. The patent confer the right to the patentee to exploit the patent of a commercial gain, so the person can have a business out of it and stop others to manufacture and selling the thing without those who are not having any patent out of it. Invention in a journal means a new discovery relating to the product, machine, or a process, even to an existing module or an idea. To the existing thing, we can add something new, so that will be counted under your invention. A new product or a process involving a new step out of it, which will improve the efficiency or which will give the benefit or the give the usefulness to the equipment. So that will become under your invention. Capable of industrial application. This is again a foremost thing which is required. That is, whatever you have invented, that must be repeatable and can be used by an industrial. So that could be have by many more persons into it. So that's why it is required to have an industrial application with it. So any product which could include a device, machine, or a process used for preparing any tangible product. So one thing which need to be taken care into it is, okay, one must have a output as in a physical form, not in any virtual form out of it. So product definitely have a output as in a physical form, process used for preparing any tangible product. Anything which is required to be made through any process that must give any physical output out of it, that will be under the patent. And only if the product or process is new and involving a new invention and are useful for any other person. So these are the three things which is required to have any product only. That must be a novel, that must be a non-obvious, and that must be of a useful, not harmful to anybody, specifically to the animals and to the human beings present in the society. So anything which can be added up over here. So anything which you design with the uh, which I could say, if I say that this is a design which is available with me a straight line. So first of all, I need to give the benefit out of this कि भी क्या benefits होंगे इस चीज के. Then anything which I describe out of it is I can have a this hole for this. It will help me to tag a any thread out of it or anything else which will help me to sew any more thing with this edge. So this will be the new invention. Other way, I have given the more design out of this. I have given the triangular form to this and a hole, a big hole out of it, or and a small hole too also into it. So this will give me a new design. So I started from this one. This is my first step, and this is my second. This is my second step, and this is my third step out of it. So in this way, I get this one physical output out of it. So in this way, these three are having a three different patents also. A straight rod, a pin out of it which have a hole at the last end, and a hole in middle and hole in the front part. So these three things can have a different three patents out of it. How do we grant this patent? We have to fill an application. Publication of the patent application that will take at most around about 18 months. Filling a request for an examination, filling a pre-grant opposition. Uh,
Hello?
Hello,
Hello?
हेलो मैम
Hello?
anything
कैसे
from the
करिए
audience?
जिंदगी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ
Hello?
Anything from the audience? Vishnu, should I start or should I wait for somebody?
Yes, sir. I have muted the person. You can start.
Okay. So we can have a pre-grant opposition mean if I had filed an application, so I should give an opportunity to the other public. So they could give an opposition out of my application that this is not useful or this is having any harmfulness or this is having anything this doesn't have anything new or this doesn't have any industrial application. On the basis of all these three things which we had discussed, on the basis of those three things, the person can file an application to oppose it. Examination of the patent application based on the turn of the request for examination. So that can be turned out also after examining the pre-grant opposition. So the person will be given a chance to reply, and then person can attend the hearing for any conflict if there is acceptance or rejection of the patent application. The one can have a accept the application can be accepted or can be rejected. Publication grant of the patent application, filling a post grant opposition also. Even though if it has been published, then you can get a post grant opposition also. So once you had got the approved, then again that can be opposed by the public again. So it is not been that we after you have been awarded, it cannot be opposed. So this there is a time between this thing for granting of patent application and grant of a patent. In between this, there is a time in which interested person can give a opposition out of it. So if we do not find any opposition after after a particular time of 3 months, then the patent can be granted to the person. The different document which will be required over there is application form. These are the few form which you can have out of the website. So that is the patent.gov.in. Under those under this website, you can find these different types of your form where you can give the simple application, your detail, your specification of the product. If there is any drawing, you can give a drawing. You have to give a declaration and undertaking that you are abiding by the rules and regulations. Declaration of inventorship that this is a complete specification which has been present in the form which you need to mention. Document of the claim priority, that why you are saying that this is your claim, and then the power of authority if the patent application is still through some patent attorney. If it, you are filing something to somebody else, then you have to give the attorney to the person that you are having attorney from my side or rights from my side to file an application for your application. So there are two types of a thing. One is the provisional specification and other one is complete specification. Provisional specification include about the data description. Just like if I say that I am using a needle as an application to file a patent, so I could say that this is a needle which is having a this much length and this much of a breadth. That small description can be given, and then the complete description will be given, the complete description section where you will give the measurements of each hole or measurement of each edge or measurement of each curve or anything which is required to be claimed. So those description will be given into this complete specification, and you need to give the best mode Best mode mean if why you are what your product will do the best, which is not present earlier. Okay, if I say that I have designed the engine which is giving me a 20 kilometer per liter of application, so then you have to give that a new application which will give the 22 kilometer per liter. So then you have to give the best mode out of it. And in detail, you have to claim that why not 21 and why 22 is the best out of it. So you have to give the best deal for this to claim that this is a new invention or a new thing which is not obvious and is having a industrial application which will be useful for anybody. So it will enable the other to make and use invention without undue experimentation. So here in the technology section, we have to give something which can be repeat and which can be used by any other without going for any undue experiment for this thing. So here it is a claim which is the key to all patents. You must give the claim what you want to say out of it. If you are having any new design of an engine, then what you are claiming out of it. Okay. You need to give the what type of a right you are protecting for it. You are protecting for the legal right of the patentee and define the legal boundaries. Who can apply for this? A true and a first invention who holds the rightful ownership in the invention, a person who is a signee, legal representative of the first and true inventor, a legal heir of the first and true inventor, person who is a signee, legal representative, a legal heir of the first and the two inventors. So, so any one single person or a group of a person can go for this patent also. The term in normal days it is the 20 year from the date of a patent, and after this again you have to file an application to have a new ownership to have a more out of it. If 20 years के लिए I have, for next 10 year I can have again need to file an application and to claim the patent for next 10 years. So in this way you can add any number of a 10 number of a year for having a claim out of it. So opposition which could be given by anybody under the section 25 of the Patent Act, wrongly obtained the invention, which anything which has presented wrongly, publication before priority date, prior claiming, invention publicly known, and obvious that no inventive steps. If you want to give any opposition, you have to give opposition on the basis of these 3-4 things. Again, the same thing. You need to give something in the return. So this should not be convention application, which not to be filled in a 12-month. If it is not been filled in a 12-month, then opposition can be cancelled and the patent can be granted. Or if within a 12-month, if somebody has given the rebuttal or somebody has given the new thing out of it, then that can be cancelled for your whatever been granted to you. Revocation, yes, you can revocate. Means somehow you are not able to file after the 20 year, then after another 1, 2, 3 year you want to revocate it, you can revocate it again also. A patent can be revoked at any time on the similar ground as an applicable in case of an opposition. So you can have a revocation also. The revocation application to be filled at the patent office and established by the government of India under the provision of your amended patent act. So you can revocate of your patent also. If somebody has given an opposition and you want to vacate it, you can vacate it also. If you want to defend it, you can defend it also, and it can be given after getting a successful revocation application. Then another one is there is a treaty which is known as an Patent Corporation Treaty, which is an international treaty which give a right that this the patent which is filed in India where it has been acceptable where and any other country cannot have a same type of a patent being given to any other part of the world. So there are some treaty with few countries. After that, those things which has been patented in India is valid for other countries also. Where it can be filed, PCT can be filled by an application either at the National Receiving Office, where if I am filing in India, we can file it at India also, and we can file it at another other country where it has been accepted, or at the International Bureau or at Geneva where it has been present, the International Office of the Patent. The applicant can claim the date of filing as a priority date. So when we file the application, that day is the day where we can start having a patent. Where we can start that on this day we can have a patent for this. So the thing which cannot be patent, again a major thing out of it is invention contrary to well-established natural law, just like perpetual motion, gravitational force, or with the use of all these things. If I'm saying that something is happening because of the gravitational force, that cannot be patent. If something is having with the perpetual motion means uh, with the movement only something is happening, then I cannot claim that as an under this patent. An invention contrary to law of public health, morality, just like I told you earlier, कि something which is contrary to the law of a public, something against a law, just like a toxic drug, food item which is against a law, or a drink which is against a law. So those cannot be in patent, whether you have made a novelty, whether you have made anything which is of industrial application, then again those things cannot be given any patent. Where discovery of a scientific principle or formulation of abstract theories or discovery of anything or non-living substance cannot be a patent. Which be any scientific principle if you have designed. Principles are not being patent. Okay, if we are designing any physical thing, if I design something as in a physical form, then only then we can file a patent. So one of the foremost requirement is we need to have some physical product out of it. Then any new property or any new use of any substance. If I say that with the help of a needle, I can sew the wooden part also. Then that is not been considered as an a patent. If I say that with the needle I can sew, I can hang anything, any material on it with on a needle. Okay, so that cannot be given a patent for this thing, because it is not anything which has been added up into the earlier product. Into earlier product, if we add something new into it, only then that can be obtained as a patent, which is already been present, and you are giving another use of any present thing, that cannot be given a patent. Substance obtained by mere mixture resulting, अगर मैं कुछ दो substance, if I'm mixing any two or more things out of it and giving up a new thing, then again that cannot be patent. So you need to give something new. By mixing one or two things cannot be given a patent. Mere arrangement or rearrangement of any devices or anything. If I say that rest of my mobile phone is having a speaker in the bottom side, and in place of bottom, if I say that I have designed it, it has been given at the top, then that cannot be given a patent for this. Mere arrangement or rearrangement of the known devices. Or if I say that the engine which is present normally in the front of the car, now it is present in the back end of the car, that can be given a patent? No, that cannot be given as a patent. Mere shifting or rearrangement of the thing cannot be given anything new. A method for agriculture or horticulture, anything which I designed as an agriculture or horticulture method, that cannot be given plant and animal in a whole, or any part of a plant cannot be in patent, or any part of any animal which you have discovered as a new cannot be given, other than your microorganism. Any new microorganism if you discover, then only a new patent can be assigned. A mathematical or business method or a formula or a computer program. Again, you could read anything which is happen to be give you any physical product can only be given a patent. This thing is not going to give you any type of a physical thing. Okay, कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर आपको कोई physical thing नहीं दे रहा, that's why it cannot be given as a patent. Literary, drama, music, or artistic work, these all are an example of your copyright. These are not an example of your patent. A mere schemes or a rule or a method cannot be patented. An invention relating to traditional knowledge, something if I say that I have a knowledge of mixing two things or traditionally present things, so that cannot be given as an patent to. No, if I say, can you please describe, can it be a patent also? Any abstract or idea like just like transporter, Ola cab and Uber cab, can it be a patent or not? Anybody from you people? Anything? Gravity, like people attract each other, like pole attract each other. So these are the things which cannot be given a patent, or any quadratic combination which can be given cannot be given a patent. Okay. So if I design something as in a quadratic form cannot be given as a patent. Isolation of microorganism present in the nature. Microorganism can be a new microorganism can be given a patent. Okay, skipping this thing. Then another form of a thing is your geographical indication. So this is a thing which is present in a particular area only. So in a few year back, if you go, there is a some fight between the India and the US that haldi is a product of the US or it is a product of India. So in that way, so the India has won the thing because it has been firstly been originated in India only. That's why it has been given to the geographical indication patent to the India. Okay. So geographical indication mean indication of the goods as originated, produced, and processed or prepared in a specific geographical area or a territory. If anything which has been present in a particular part of the world, then that will be given to that particular part of the world. So just like an example, your coffee bean, which has been given, which is present in India only in the eastern side. So those have been marked as an coffee bean of that area. And similarly, African coffee, which is having a different taste, and Indian coffee, which is having a different taste. So they both are having a different geographical area, then they both have the different geographical area originated patent with them. We call them as a GI patent. Just like a tea of a Darjeeling, so that can be marked as a Darjeeling tea. So similarly, if I say that the Kullu is all with me, so then these are the thing which has been present in particular area only and not been done at any other part of the world. Another example, if I say that Allahabadi guava over there, then again, then Tirupati Prasad, which has been given only over there, so then that has been given as an GI patent for them. If I say that a sari for Kashmir Pashmina over there, then which is present only in a Kashmir, so that has been known as a Kashmir Pashmina only. Similarly, Bengali sari, which has been or Kanpuri sari or any part of the world which is attached with any part of a cloth can be given as a GI patent with them. Then Firozabadi glass, which has been named under the city Firozabad. Kanauj perfume, which is present only in the area of Kanauj where the specific flowers are present. So these are given as a GI patent with them. The GI is important because it provides a particular indication that area who are involved in products using unique product having unique properties. So which is present only at the particular part of the world which is present due to its unique property. Those has been given as a GI patent with them. Okay. And help the manufacturer or producer that establish a goodwill in the market. So that has been present with the goodwill into the market. So we know that Darjeeling tea is having a goodwill in the market that because of its smell and aura present into the tea leaves, so which gives a goodwill over there, not a bad will. Any bad thing cannot be patent. Okay? Only the good thing will be a patent with them. Honor of a GI can stop use and adoption of the same GI. So anybody else, if I plant the Darjeeling tea in a Punjab, and if I say that this is the same is present in the Punjab also, but that will be named as an Darjeeling tea only. Might be its harvesting can be done in Punjab, but its name cannot be changed. Its name will remain via GI patent with them, and it will be given to the registered GI by any person, and it will not be authorized by the owner even of the same area. So it will not be given to any other single person, not to the single owner. It will be given to the particular group of a people or present in that particular area for which the GI has been registered. So in which area it has been registered, it will be given to those persons only. It will not be only by the name of any single person. It will be by the name of a group of persons only. It cannot be given to any single one person. So the same thing which is present over here. Who can apply? Any association or a producer of an कौन apply कर सकता है? The association of producer or an organization or authority established by any government law. So they can apply for this GI. Nobody else can apply for this. Any individual cannot apply. Again, this is the how we can file. The life is uh, it is renewable in a timely manner after every 10-year interval. So after every 10 years, you need to give a new application and again to have a file and a GI patent for that particular product. Can GI register be opposed? Yes, registration of a GI can be opposed in a similar manner as it is in the case of your other earlier patent application. Person has to file a notice of opposition within writing prescribed manner with prescribed fee only. Is it possible to re-register a registered GI? Yes, you can re-register after expiry of the term. GI can be re-registered for a different goods, for a different thing. You can have the same thing just like Darjeeling tea, Kullu tea, ho, so that can be registered also. Means if something, if I say that MP wheat or a Punjab wheat, both are the wheat, but the varieties are different. Though they can re-register again by the name of a other particular GI only. Is it possible to restore a GI? Yes, you can restore by filling a request again. What is the effect of this thing? It will stop giving an unauthorization of the thing. कि मैं कहूँ कि भी ये पंजाब में टी आ गए, then that tea is the Punjab tea. No, if it is harvested from the Darjeeling, then it will remain with the Darjeeling only, whether it has been transferred to the Punjab. Okay, this will known as a Darjeeling tea only. Then the another form of patent is the copyright. It is a more liberal and can be attained easily as compared to your other IPR. Copyright is a law granted to the author, composer, software writer, website designer, and other creator for legal protection for their literary and artistic creation. So this will be given to the authors, composer, software developer, designer, and other person who are having a rights over it. Copyright protects a wide variety of original and creative expression only. So such as your novels can be covered under the copyright, poetry, music, painting, photographs, sculpture, architecture, design, films, or computer program, video games, regional databases that can be copyrighted. The rights granted enable the copyright owner within a specific period of a time. So this can be being again being sell to receive a remuneration or to control the use of his work. Your novels, your poetry, your music, any software can be covered under your Copyright Act. So these are the three things which can be under the copyright: original literary, sound recording, and typographical arrangement of your published edition. Typographical arrangement means पहले मेरे पास I am having a different novels with me. Suppose that I'm having a 10 different novels. I want to compile all those novels in a single book. So earlier I am having a 10 books with me. Under I am having a 10 books with me. Now I am having the composition of all these with a one book only. Okay, so out of those 10, I compile to give the one. So this is the typographic arrangement of your published edition. So we protect its scope, we protect its basic data relation and period of a production. So these three things will be given under the copyright. So just like it can be given to the books, to the maps, to the architecture, to the newspaper, to the video games, to the software or a web design, to the software code, to the magazine, to the photograph. So these are the things which can be copyrighted under your literary work or written material. Under the music, notes you can have, notes you can have, or you arrange any musical sound with it, or radio for broadcasting. You store it in a different format, either in a this form or in a CD form, so that can be copyrighted. Or you sing somewhere, so that can be copyrighted. Or you listen something, you deliver something to anybody. So these are the different things which comes under your music. So we design the note, we design an equipment under this thing, we design the storage material for your copyrighted material. So then again, this can be copyrighted. Or you sing your voice. All these things can be copyrighted. Other thing which can be copyrighted is broadcasting. Broadcasting means when you want to deliver something, you are delivering on the stage, you are delivering at the remote places, you are delivering as a movie to the audience, or you are giving to the YouTube. So these are the copyrighted thing. Or you are designing any new avatar with this thing, or you are designing any new game out of it. So these are the things which can be copyrighted. So these are the things which cannot be given a patent to them. Or to all of these things, we cannot give a patent. We give a copyright to the discovery or to the novelty of any of these things. So what are the things which can become under the copyright protection is copyright law only protect the way ideas are expressed in a particular creation. So you are given with the way ideas are expressed, how you present the music, how you sing the music. So this is the way which can be given a copyright. It does not protect the underlying ideas. It does not give that how this has been originated, how this procedure has been adopted, how it will be operated. So these are the things which can be given as a copyright to it. Fact. So under the fact, we cannot uh, under the fact we cannot say that we music. If I'm writing something, it is giving me some facts out of it. So fact cannot be copyrighted. Its historical background cannot be copyrighted. Its news of the day cannot be copyrighted. Only the manner in which such facts are expressed, selected or arranged are protected. Other are free to use the fact. So the facts are coming out of it. The concept which you have written, the mathematical formulation, you can have a copyright out of it, but you cannot have a patent out of it. And what is the science behind that formula that cannot be come under your copyright? You have written that part on the book or on the website or any other part that can be copyrighted only. Okay, this is all from my side. Anything which is from you people can be asked.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So now I ask the participant if they have any query. Sir, I do have one query about traditional knowledge. How we can patent the traditional knowledge of some method or some craft?
Ma'am, you are not audible to me. Can you please explain again?
Sir, how we can register a patent for traditional knowledge?
Ma'am, for the traditional knowledge, we cannot have a patent with us for the whatever the thing which has been present already in the market. Because traditional knowledge, if I say that how to make a murabbas from the thing, so those are the traditional knowledge which are present in the society. The thing which has already been available in the society, which are already prevailing, for that we cannot have a IPR. So anything new which is present, which has been discovered, having a novelty out of it, we can have a patent for that only.
Okay, sir. Thank
Anything
you.
from anybody else?
Um, you have explained so well. So thank you very much for throwing light on this mysterious topic of intellectual property rights. Now I invite our institution's Innovations Council's President, Dr. Kuldeep Kaur, to present vote of thanks.
Thank you, Jaswinder, and thank you, sir, for illuminating and inspiring our youngsters about intellectual property rights. Today's discussion is really appreciable and beneficial for all. I, on behalf of my college and principal, Dr. Baljit Singh, express my thanks to Dr. Satwinder Singh, key speaker, for sparing his valuable time to interact with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all the participants.
Thank you,
Now,
ma'am.
now we will meet in second session.
Aarti Guruji. Ujjain.